video of us riding across the street.
Just sit there. Put
On
on your site.
YouTube and just
Posterity and hate ages. That's right. And you gotta come here fast or the food wipe out there.
Yeah, the timing was bad. Right now, that was what rush hour.
Yeah. I've been in there like one time.
See, John beats us.
No, you're not, man.
This stuff, where did we jump off?